Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace spark plugs in your Hyundai Elantra. This is a straightforward maintenance task that can improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Before we begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure your engine is cool to the touch and disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. This prevents accidental electrical shorts while you work. Now let's get to those spark plugs. First, you'll need to remove the engine cover, which usually comes off with just a few bolts or clips. Once that's out of the way, you'll see the ignition coils. Disconnect the electrical connector from each coil by pressing the tab and pulling. Then, unbolt each coil and carefully pull them straight up and out of their wells. With the coils removed, you can now access the spark plugs. Use a spark plug socket and an extension to carefully unscrew and remove each old plug. Take a moment to inspect them for any unusual wear patterns. When installing the new plugs, always hand thread them first to avoid cross-threading. Then, use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specification, typically around 15 to 20 pound-feet. You're almost done. Now, carefully reinsert the ignition coils into their wells, making sure they are fully seated, and then bolt them back into place. Reconnect all the electrical connectors to each coil until you hear a click. Finally, replace the engine cover, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and start your Elantra to ensure everything is running smoothly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.